This delicious meal is easy and sure to please everyone. Preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Heat up a drizzle of oil and add 1 to 1 1/4 pounds of ground beef. I'm using ground round. Break it up just a little bit and press it down with a spatula into an even layer. Season it with salt and pepper and let it cook undisturbed until it browns on the bottom for a couple of minutes on medium heat. Now break up the meat. It's beautifully brown, and that adds more flavor to it. Add 2 grated garlic cloves and mix it all up. You may want to break the beef into chunky pieces or smaller pieces. I want it somewhere in between. The meat will finish cooking in about 2 minutes. Wash 1 cup of fresh green beans, trim off the ends, and cut them into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. Place the green beans into a medium-sized microwave-safe bowl. Splash them with a little water. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave them until tender for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the green beans to the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce, 3.5 tablespoons of sweet soy glaze, and 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Cook, stirring until the beef mixture is thoroughly coated. It takes 1 to 2 minutes. Now that the beef mixture is done, turn off the heat, cover, and remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to make some rice to go with this awesome stir fry. Place a medium-sized saucepan on medium-high heat. Add 1 cup of jasmine rice and 1.5 cups of filtered water. Add salt to taste or a small seasoning packet. And stir. Cover the pan and let the rice come to a boil. Once it boils, turn the heat down to low and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. While the rice cooks, I quarter 2 limes and chop some cilantro leaves. If you don't like cilantro, you may use green onions or parsley. This different, incredibly easy and tasty stir fry is ready to be served. And it's great with any vegetable. Please give it a thumbs up if you think this recipe deserves it. Garnish with the fresh cilantro leaves, a little crispy onion, and a couple of lime wedges on the side. A quick, delicious, picture-perfect dinner that won't break the bank. And a little squeeze of lime will make it even more flavorful. I hope you like this recipe and share it with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.